crazy, man. Boom. It's cold. Look at that. Look at the patterns on that bad boy right there. Just got a nice smallmouth. I caught it on a little drop shot. One more cast. Right there. Got a good one. Got a freaking good one, dude. Stay on. Stay on. We're stepping up in the world, boys. Look at that bad boy right there. He's got an old beat up tail too. Their tails are huge compared to the rest of their body. It's a pretty good one compared to the last one I caught. This one was caught on the exact same thing. Look at that little belly right there. So yeah, there he goes. It's a good one. That is the biggest one of the day, for sure. Also, only the second. So there's many to be caught here. I'm gonna take a couple more casts and then we might move down here where there's a couple, what are they called? Rock bass. There might be some down there, so we'll catch them. Let's go. I've always had really good luck right in there. That little pocket right there. I just caught
You got a GoPro?
Yes, sir.
You're putting it on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
All right. What's your name?
Clayton.
Clayton.
McWhorter.
McWhorter. Roger Banal. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
I've never had much success in that pond on 7.
Neither have I. I've had more success on that one right over here. The one right there, I caught 5 or 6.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm, largemouth. Yes, sir.
2 years ago, they put a bunch of tilapia in there to take care of the algae.
Really?
And those things were hitting anything.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know if they've done that ever since. I didn't know they had any smallmouth or largemouth.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. They're up there.
All right. Well, we'll see ya.
Good luck. First rock bass of the day. Got another one. Okay, little smallie, eh? Little smallie action. Oh shoot, he came off. Oh my goodness. This would be huge. This would be huge if I can catch this. Oh my God, he wanted it. First catch in a while. Little rock bass. He's got hooked in the gill, so he's bleeding a little bit, but we'll put him back right now. And and he's gone. Boom, easy peasy lemon squeezy, baby. Still fishing a little drop shot. Just a little worm right there. The pink worm was working way better than this one before, but yeah, we'll keep chugging this one around. I ran out of pink worms, so that was the smallmouth slayer. Right now I'm just trying to catch fish. I've been in a big lull for a little bit. It's been like an hour. I haven't caught a fish. Cotton, that's not a word. Holy dude. I just hooked into a pretty freaking good sized smallmouth over here. He is just hogging me right now. Look at that, right in the top of the mouth. Oh baby, wow. Look at that hook right there. Look at that hook right there. Right in the top of the mouth, right in the nostrils. That is a absolute hog right there, baby. A hog. He's got a little bit of some scars on him. That is just such a good fish right there. He's got quite a bit of a tummy on him right there. You can tell he's been sitting on the bottom right there because he's got some dirt a little bit. He's gonna kick like a mother. Oh. Dude, that is a good freaking fish. Oh, I got another. Oh, wait, do I? Might have been the ground. I think that was it. Oh, I got one. Another fish. This is a good one too. He's running right at me. He's running. Oh, frick. Frick. All right, so what I'm using is I'm using like a little big bite, little grub, fluke looking deal. You're on a drop shot with a little mosquito hook. Okay, so the problem with fishing downstream is once you get those big fish, they start swimming right at you. So there's a lot of slack in the line. And that's how I lost that last one. Okay, little time check for y'all, boys and girls. It's about 6:20 right now. The sun sets at 7 something, I don't know. But we have, wait, it's not over. I'm gonna check 2 other spots and maybe a pond. So we'll see if we can't catch a little bit more, some more mini jaws, some Rocky Mountain climbers, or you know, big mouth bass, because I'm gonna try for some big mouth bass over in this pond up here. But so far so good. I'm content with what I've done so far, and this little bait's killed it, absolutely killed it. My arm's getting tired, so I'm gonna put you guys back in my backpack. Ha! Oh, don't take me in the reeds, boy. Oh, I'm in the reeds big time. Got a pretty good size smallmouth. He's long. He's not quite as big, but he is a long one for sure. But yeah, let's get a good release. Just got another nice little smallmouth right here in this little pool over here. I'll show you the pool in a second, but today's a smallmouth filled day and it is so much fun. There it goes, down the little current. I don't know how many smallmouth that is now. It's a lot though. I have one more of these, of this little bait right here, one more. And I have this pocket right there full of, it's got those suds coming through and this current's coming right through there. I gotta make this happen. I'm racing the sun. One more bait. Let's get it. I got one, got another one. It's the softest bite ever. Oh, dude, there's this, another one. He had a friend with him. Oh, this is a big mouth bass, baby. Look at that big mouth bass right there. He's got a nice lateral line. Dude, this is so much fun. I'm gonna let him go into this little rivet right here. It's a good little run, buddy. He's off, he's gone. Hey, good news. Still got the little bait on, the killer bait. A Rocky Mountain bass. It's not what they're called, but they're called Rocky Mountain bass. See if I can't catch one more. I'm just gonna fish till this bait falls off. Oh my, I have another one, do I? Oh, I got one, baby. I got one. I got one. I got one. He's swimming up against the current. Oh, it is a tiny little smallmouth, ain't it? Oh, it is a small smallmouth. Alrighty, that's fish number 4 on one bait. It's a tiny little smallmouth right there. Boom, you could eat him. There he goes. Just like that. Let's keep going, baby. Oh, I got hammered. Oh my freak. Holy, don't go in the freaking. This is a good one. I'm ending, well, I don't have my bait anymore, so yeah, I gotta end on this one. Don't go under the tree. Don't go. Oh my gosh. Dude. Come on, sucker. Come on, sucker. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Oh, he freaking choked it, which is not good. There we go. All right, we're running out of light. I don't know if you can see him, but he is a good one right there. Just a solid fish. I'm gonna let him go in this pool right here, just so I make sure he's good to go, big boy. Oh, baby, he's good to go. Strong kick. Alrighty, let's get out of here. It's a good run. Got that good smallmouth at the end, right on this little turn right here. That's where I think I'm gonna end it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like. Never gonna do that again. Enjoy the rest of your day. What?